Hello everyone. Ever stumbled upon the word abeyance and wondered what it means? Join us in this animated journey as we explore its meaning through conversational examples.
I heard you stopped playing the guitar. What happened?
Yeah, life got busy, and my guitar skills are in abeyance for now. I hope to pick it up again soon. In this conversation, abeyance is used to express that the person's guitar playing skills have been temporarily suspended or put on hold due to a busy schedule.
Our expansion plans have been put in abeyance due to budget constraints.
Does that mean we'll revisit them in the future?
Exactly, we'll keep it on hold for now.
Here, abeyance is used to describe the temporary suspension of the expansion plans due to budget constraints, with the intention of revisiting them at a later time.
Mom, why haven't we gone on a family vacation this year?
Well, sweetie, our travel plans are in abeyance until your dad finishes his big project at work. But we'll plan something special soon.
In this conversation, abeyance is used to convey that the family's travel plans are temporarily on hold until a specific work project is completed. Now that you understand the concept of abeyance, you can use it to describe situations that are temporarily paused. Thanks for joining us on this word exploration.